Asiye ku number 3. Number 3, uzothathwa umbuso unikezwe the Medes and the Persians. Kodwa indaba yethu sivala la kule yesibili. Uthathiwe wena wafakwa esikaleni, kwacaca ukuthi isisindo awunaso. Size moya ingcwele, help me Spirit of God. Wena ngicela ukwehlela la isithunywa sami sizwa kahle mangisondela kubantu. Ukaliwe ubekiwe esikaleni, walinganiswa na into etholakalayo ngawe, awunasindo. Bazalwane uzobazalwane, bazalwane. Yini into emenza ukuthi angabi nesisindo? Yini lesikali isani lesikali? Yini into umuntu ukalwa kanjani? Umuntu umkela ukubuza umuntu ukalwa kanjani bazalwane, umkala kanjani umuntu? But the answer is in the text. Impendulo ayikho ngaphandle kweBhayibheli, ilapha. Wena Belshazzar, you are a son of a man who was raised by God. Number 1. Number 2, he had pride. He fell. He humbled himself. He was restored. Uthatha emva komuntu onjalo. But wena awukwazi ukufunda ukuthi ithrone iphathwa kanjani. Ngoba ithrone akuyona into yomuntu, uye omisa amakhosi, uye odiliza amakhosi. So njengoba sikubeka esikaleni, sithatha lesihlalo hleli kuso sisibeka ngapha on the left, sithathe wena sikubeke on the right. But manje into eyenzakalayo, isihlalo yiso ongathi sisinda ukudlula wena, ngoba ayikho ibalance moya ingcwele. Kunala siyakhona uthi you are imbalanced, uphethe isihlalo awunayo iposture yaso. Bazalwane, uphethe isihlalo uhlele esihlalweni sobukhosi, but iposture yobukhosi awunayo. Ngicela ukuphinda futhi, isihlalo sona uhleli kuso, sona sikhona isihlalo, but masithi sibheka iposture yobukhosi kuwe, awunaso isisindo salento ohleli phezu kwayo. Isihlalo sobukhosi sisinda ukudlula wena. Angisho mina just a chair, a throne. No, ngikhuluma ngeposition. Uthi ile position iyakusinda, awunayo iposture. Uyinkosi ehlele esihlalweni esisindayo, uyasindelwa, awuna sisindo. My God, awuna sisindo, awuna sisindo. Can I give you a few examples? If you read Ufunda Proverbs chapter 16 verse number 11, Ufunde Proverbs chapter 11 verse number 1, in Leviticus chapter number 16, uNkulunkulu ukhuluma ngama honest scales. Kumele kube nama honest scales, kumele kube ne balance. Ama honest scales ayabalansa. Intense ukuthi isikali mawubeka umuntu ngapha ubeka ngapha, intense ukuthi singa tilt to the left or to the right, ingoba iweight yalezinto yalingana. iweight iyalingana, iweight yesihlalo neweight yomuntu iyalingana, iweight yeposition neweight yeposture iyalingana, iweight yokusebenza neweight yesimilo. It must be balanced. Oh, can I give you another example? Uma ufunda Hebrew chapter number 11 verse number 4. Little Bible. By faith Abel sinikezwa, thank you sir, wanikela ngomnikelo ongcono kunaloku kaKhayini. By faith. So uKhayini i-offering ibikhona ngapha, but if faith to measure the offering, if waletha umnikelo kodwa ukukholwa okwenza lento ayenzayo ibalance wawushoda. So uNkulunkulu umangalela nje, uNkulunkulu udila naye at the level ukuthi ama means wokunikela kimi wona abekhona, but the attitude of faith was lacking. So makibeka wena ngapha, kibeka umnikelo wakho ngapha, umnikelo usinda ukudlula wena ngoba wena awunakho ukukholwa kwalento yenzayo. Awubazalwana. 1 Samuel chapter 17. Sengizokunqamulela 1 Samuel chapter number 17. Lithi iBhayibheli wathi uNkulunkulu ku Samuel, hamba uyongigcobela, amen, in the house of Jesse. Hamba uyongigcobela yena. Wathi uSamuel akabi isikhathi sokunikela se-offering se-sacrifice. Wathi no, thatha umhlatshelo. Mawufika khona babekubuza ukuthi uzwenzani, ubatshele to you have come to sacrifice. Kanti kuzogcotshwa uDavid. Watch this, because this is very important. Kuzogcotshwa uDavid. Lithi iBhayibheli ngesikhathi kungena uEliyabi, wayemude enamahlombe abanzi. Uthe naye embheka wathi surely ngogcwetshiweyo kaJehova. Kusho uSamuel ebheka amahlombe, ebheke nobude bomuntu, kanti amazulu amthathile umuntu ambeke esikaleni. Athi amahlombe wona siyawabona, kodwa manje inhliziyo esustaina lamahlombe asibo, ngoba asifuni indoda kuphela yamahlombe, but sifuna umuntu onenhliziyo yalamahlombe. Because you can have the height and lack the heart. You can have the height and lack the heart. Oh, basalam. You can have the height and lack the heart. Ngamanye amagama ungaba nabo ubude kodwa inhliziyo engabi khona. Kanti akufunwa ubude, angisho wena mvelasine, angisho wena man of God, mniswe mvula. I'm not saying you sir. Because no David azange akhethwe ngobufushane, wakhethwa ngenxa ukuthi inhliziyo. Hey, baningi abantu abathusayo mawubabheke, kodwa amazulu mayebabeka esikaleni athi hey man awunasi isisindo. Khona la siyakhona, tshela umakhelwane ukuthi khona la siyakhona, izojika izojika lento very soon. Ngokusiza umuntu izothatha i10. If you read Mark chapter 11, uJesu nasi isihlahla somkhiwane. Lesihlahla kumele siqalekiswe, ngoba into yokuqala ebe yiproblem ensimini yase-Eden isihlahla somkhiwane. Ngoba uma umuntu esonile, into yokuqala ayithatha amahlamvu esihlahla somkhiwane. So uJesu wathi wabhinqa amahlamvu. Wathi uJesu, before I go to the cross, awuthi ngiqalekise lento ye-human efforts, awuthi ngiqalekise lento yeyikhwepha, lento yeyikhwepha ngiyayiqalekisa ngoba la ngiyakhona sekuyokwenziwa ngomusa hayi ngeyikhwepha. Ngoba laba abazongilandela ngeke bahlabelele bathi izulu liyasetshenzelwa ngoba akekho namandla okulisebenzela, kodwa bayolungena ngomusa, balungena ngenxeba. So mayibheka mamela, uma ebheka lesihlahla lithi iBhayibheli, from a distance the leaves were there, from a distance. Mayisondela, the fruit was not there. So it had the look but lacked the fruit. Oh, okay. My way I balance. Do you have lento I balance? I balance in ama looks. Yona ibukeka sengathi kodwa mawuyisondela lento ebukekayo sengathi khona ayikho. Ngeke uphinda futhi. Yona mawuyibheka ibukeka ingathi khona into ekhona, kodwa mawusondela lento ebukeka ungathi khona ayikho. Awuyashota uamen olundi niyose ningizwe ukuthi ngithini. Lesihlahla mawusibhekela kude siyathembisa, mawusondela dololo, as our kids would say, dololo. Lesihlahla sihle mawusibhekela kude sithi hosa, mawuqeda ukubizwa ubuhle baso asikho isithelo. Moya ongcwele ngisize namhla kusihlwa, because the revival